Welcome to the world of ABC trainings. AutoCAD Mechanical. Explore a world of precision and efficiency with our AutoCAD Mechanical training programs. At ABC Trainings, we provide a comprehensive set of courses in AutoCAD Mechanical available in certificate, diploma, master diploma, and PG diploma levels. Our goal is to equip you with the expertise required to excel in mechanical design and drafting. Here are the core aspects you will delve into during our courses. Introduction to the specialized AutoCAD mechanical interface. Precise 2D mechanical drafting and editing techniques. Sheet metal design and manufacturing processes. Parametric design principles for intelligent component creation. Assembly design strategies and bill of materials, BOM management. Join the AutoCAD Mechanical course of your choice today and enhance your skills in utilizing this powerful software for mechanical engineering. For more information and to enroll, visit our website at www.abctrainings.in.